Hello student, today I am going to make you aware about our microprocessor 8085. You can see a box in front of me. Okay, this is a Dyna 8085 microprocessor. You can see the layout. There are some connecting power slots. We have the IC, keyboard, power display, keyboard, and this blue color you can see has a backup. Now the main that is a microprocessor is this chip, Dyna 85 my monitor. Okay, so this is your actual microprocessor, this one, and this is a 40 pins which is responsible for address bus, data bus. Okay, now for this operating we need only 5-volt power supply. We cannot connect directly with our household or direct connection with the power supply that comes to our house. So we need one power supply. What is the work of this power supply? It converts the voltage into 5 volt. So we get only 5 volt as the input. तो ये 5 volt input में ही काम करता है, ठीक है? We need a power supply. Okay. So now let me make you aware about the things that we need for our practical. We need the opcode. This is the opcode sheet. Okay, it might be not be visible, so it will be given to your WhatsApp group. With the reference of this opcode only, we will enter the values in microprocessor. Okay, now this is opcode. The work of opcode is the instruction that we give to microprocessor. It is not understandable. वो समझ में नहीं आता उसको वो instruction, क्योंकि वो इंस्ट्रक्शन हमारे मशीन रीडेबल में चाहिए. तो मशीन रीडेबल वी नीड अ ऑपकोड, वी नीड द ऑपकोड. ओके, yes. Now let us see one example how to operate this and how to use this. First of all, see the steps. What are the steps to operate a microprocessor? So these are the steps for executing program in microprocessor 8085. So we want that you should note it down in your journals at the first page. Okay, so here is the first step to enter a opcode. We get the first step to enter the opcode. The second step is to enter the data. Third step, how to execute the code. Fourth step, how to check the answers. And fifth step, how to check the flag content. Okay, so this step we will be seeing with one example. We have one example of our program. You can see it is the addition of two 8-bit number. You might have written in your journals. If you have not written, you can see it. It is already available there. Now these are the programs. This will be the aim given in your journals. Write an assembly language program to add two 8-bit number present in memory location C200H and C201H. Draw a flow chart and explain flag register. What apparatus we use? Write that apparatus 8085 microprocessor kit code that you have written. Now normally you write this code LDA C200 move B, A, LDA C201 add B, STA C300 RST1. This is a simple code what you write, but this is not enough. We have to convert into opcode also. So we have this opcode. We have this opcode. Yes, this opcode is available here. Now we will be now finding the what is the opcode of LDA. Microprocessor don't understand what is the meaning of LDA. It will understand with the help of opcode only. Okay, what is the opcode here? Here the opcode is LDA देखना है और ये अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज है. तो आपको L देखना है. LDA कहाँ पे? LDA how much? 3A. Okay, and what is given 16 bit. Okay, when it is written 16 bit you will leave two location. When it is written 8 bit you will leave one location. When it is not written anything we will not leave any location. Okay, now how much is written? Please take the note again. It is written 16 bit LDA 16 bit. Okay, now what is the code for LDA? 3A. I wrote 3A. Yes, I have written 3A. Now we need two location C001 C002. Now how we are going to enter this? We will be taking one divider. Okay, we will divide it C200 in two parts, 00 and C2. Okay, 00 and C2. Okay student, clear? Now come on the next location, increment this locations. It is now C003. It is now C003. What is the code? Move B, A. Now see in the alphabetical order. Where is move B, just try to find where it is move B, where it is move B comma A. Yes, it is here. What is the opcode? 47. Now just remember the thing what I told. 16 bit, then you will leave 2 location. If it is 8 bit, you will leave 1 location. Anything is written here? No. So we will not leave any location. We will write only one, that is 47. Okay? Yes, understood? Now the next location we will increment C004. Okay? Now what is the next code? LDA C201. The same thing we will follow for LDA. Now again you have to go for LDA. See the code for LDA, that is 3A. Okay? Now how you will provide 2 locations 01, C2. C201. So you will write 01 and then C2. 01 then C2. Okay? Now increment this location C007. What is the next? Add B. Add B. Add B. Okay? Now what is the opcode of this? First you see add B. Anything is written 16 bit, 8 bit, nothing is written. So it is only 1 byte instruction. So what is add B? It is 80. I have what? 80 code. Okay? Now increment the location C008. What is written? STA C300. It is written STA C300. Just try to find where is STA C300. Try to find STA C300. It is here. How much bit is given? 16 bit. How much bit is given? 16 bit. Okay. So how much location we will leave? 2 location. What is the opcode of STA? 32. So first we write 32 and then we leave 2 location C009, C00A. Now 00C3. Okay. Next one RST1. See where is the RST1? RST1. Okay. Anything is written 16 or 8 bit? No. So it is how much byte? Only 1 byte. So only one location we need CF. We have written only CF. Okay. This is the first step for entering the opcode. Now let us see one example. It is the input C200, C200 and C201. Why I have taken C200 and C201? In question it is written we are going to add 2 8-bit number present in C200 and C201. In our question the input will be given. Okay, in our question the input is given. So I have written C200 and C201. So what input I am taking? I am taking one example like 4 and 3. You can take any example. Now 4 plus 3, what will be the answer? 07. Now where this 07 will go? In C300. Okay, it will go in C300. So I have written here C300. The result is 07. Now how to get this result? For that we have to follow the steps. Now this is the first steps. Steps for executing program in microprocessor 8085. So first thing, the step we have to enter the opcode. This opcode we have to enter into microprocessor. Into this microprocessor we have to enter all these steps. Okay, let us enter this. The first step is given reset. Now see, your button is there, reset. This button is a reset button. Reset, you will get a message friend. Then press on the set. Okay, then after that C00. This is the location that we have to give. This location we have to enter here so that we can start entering the opcode. What is the location? C000 is given. Enter C000. Okay, now just increment it. It is written here INR. In your steps it is written INR. Increment. Okay, now what is there? 3A. It is what? 3A. So I will enter 3A. Okay, now increment. I have entered 3A. Now what is the next step? 00. What is the next step? 00. I will write here 00. Okay, just 00. C20. C002 is how much? C2. C2. Okay. Now C003 is what? 47. C003 is 47. Okay. Now in C004 we have to enter 3A. Now 3A we have entered in C004. Now C005 we have to enter 01. Okay. Take a student. C006 we have to enter C2. Okay. Now after entering this C007, what opcode we have to enter? 80. Now increment. Now in C008 we have to enter 32. increment. Now C009 we have to enter 00. Okay. Now in C00A you can see what is there, C3. So I have to enter C3. Very simple. C00B I have to enter CF. Just do one more extra increment. It is given extra increment we have to do. After last opcode we have to give one extra increment. So this work is done. First step to enter opcode from this page is been completed. Now the next step is to enter a data. What is the meaning of data? This is the input. This input we have to enter. Okay. So this input I have to enter. What I have to do? Follow again step number 2. Step number 2. What is the step number 2? Reset set. So I will do reset set. Then what is the location of input? C200. C200. Then do increment. What is the output? Input is given C200. In C200 what is given? 04, right? I will write 04. Done. Now just follow the next step. INR. I will increment. What is the C201 input? I have to enter 03. So 03. Done. Okay. Now do one more increment. One extra increment we have to always give. You can see in every step one extra increment is given. Okay. Okay. Now step number 3, to execute the code. I want the output. Where is my output? It is in C300. Now these have to be processed and executed. So what I have to do? I have to follow step number 3 to execute code. What is that step? Reset go. Reset go. You can see go is written here. Go. Then C000. Okay. Then press execute. You will get a friend message. Reset go C000 execute. You got a friend message. Yes, if you get error, that means you have done something wrong. You have entered wrong data or wrong output. Okay. Now next, just check the answers. We have to check the answers. Now what is my location? My location is C300. My location is C300. Okay. Location is C300. So I have to enter to check this location. So what is the step? Set. जब तक आप सेट नहीं करोगे तब तक ये गायब नहीं होगा. तो सेट किया मैंने. सेट प्रेस करो. सेट प्रेस किया. ओके. सेट प्रेस करने के बाद लोकेशन जो आपका आउटपुट का लोकेशन है वो एंटर कर दो. लोकेशन क्या है? C300. आई हैव एंटर दिस. जस्ट इंक्रीमेंट. व्हाट इज द आंसर? 07. गॉट इट एवरीवन? You got the output. How to get the output of C300? I got 07. Yes. Now what is the next step? To check flag content. This content we have to check. Register content. This register we have to enter. We have to find. How we get this register? From where we get this register? Okay. What are the steps to get this register? It is very simple. Just like the execution step. You can see here reset go C000 execute. Same step. But after execute we have to write register A. Let us see it on the kit. Reset go C000 execute, then reg. This reg A. Okay. Yes, I got reg A. Then just have to keep on incrementing. B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Got it? Till you get this F message. That is a finished message. Okay. I have to now increment. Again I am showing how to check the flag content. What is the flag content steps? You have to do reset go C000 execute register A. Got it? Just cross check with your content. A707. So what is there in B? 04. Okay. All this content you will get. Okay. On the kit. Okay student, so this was the simple, and you all know how to make the flag. So what is there in F00? So you have to enter this content and you have to set which flag is set and which flag is reset. Since it is 00, so every flag register is reset. Okay.